Ahoy mateys! Welcome to my channel. My name is Annie. I am an indie game dev developer and QA engineer, and today I'm going to share with you 5 things I wish I knew before learning to code. And yes, I know this is a pretty boring video and there are thousands of them on the YouTube, but there is 0 videos on the YouTube from me, so let's get started. So thing number 1, the language that you pick to learn does not matter. What matters is you, your habits, how you approach your learning. You can pick whatever language in the world exists, whatever language you like. My personal favorite is C++. But please don't get any ideas. I do not probably recommend it for the newbies. Still, don't listen to me. Pick any language you want. Any language you pick will be the right language for you, I promise. Because, well, basically when you learn the basics of whatever, Python, JavaScript, C#, Java, you name it, it does not matter, you will grasp the basics and then they are easily transferred to any other language you're going to learn after that, and it will be much easier for you. So just pick whatever language, because what matters is your habit and how often do you learn. Thing number 2, errors are not a verdict. It's a map, actually. And when you get an error, and you will get an error, it's not an if, it's a when. So when you get an error, just read it really, really closely. Don't, hit your screen. I know sometimes you want to, but don't. Just read what's written out there, read carefully, and just do what it says. Just Google it. Trust me, like in 3-4 weeks you seeing that error, it will not be so scary as the first time. Just the first time is scary and annoying if you really dig into that error. Not throw your computer away when you get it. You will learn much faster if you just ignore these errors and get annoyed. Learn from them. Don't throw your laptop. Number 3, Git from day 1. Why do I say that? Many newbies prefer to just, code the little projects, pet projects we call them, just, on their own PC, and develop whatever comes out there and just keep it over there. I do recommend using Git from day 1, because almost 99% of the companies in the world using GitHub, GitLab, or whatever Git they're using. So I do recommend just getting into the habit of understanding how it works, how those branches and main branch and all other branches work, how do they communicate with each other, how do you actually push your changes, how do you revert your changes back, because that will also happen. What the conflicts are, just to look how it works. In the perfect world, you would have a friend or a bestie or someone else with whom you can push the code to Git and to see how it just works when there are emerging conflicts and stuff like that. But if you don't have it, that's okay. If you're building a little project, start pushing your little, probably ugly, probably weird, probably very, very newbie, but start pushing those pieces of code into GitHub. You will not regret it, I promise. Number 4, projects beat tutorials. Do not get into that courses, learn C# in 90 days. Try to stick with the courses if you like taking courses. I mean, I do. I know that probably sounds weird, but I do. Don't pick those courses. Pick the ones that allows you to build something in the process of learning. Not just learning to code, but actually to build something. An app, a web app, a mobile app, whatever app, or a game. Like for me, that was the most inspiring thing that got me into, actual coding, and I stick with it. Whatever feels like you, whatever works for you, whatever feels inspiring to you, pick that. Build something while you learn. And that has a lot of benefits. because you'll have a project to show to your employer in the future. You will learn to code. It works perfectly with my previous advice, getting into Git, because you can start pushing the little project, the actual project, not just code snippets, random code snippets. Just build. Start building things from day one. And number 5, quality over speed. What I mean by that is please do not rush. I do understand that the tech field is something that always pushes your boundaries, always pushing you to go faster, to learn things, not to, keep yourself in one place, and that's understandable. But don't rush your study process. It will harm you in the end of the day, because you need to understand the basics as good as possible, not as fast as possible, as good as possible. Because if you move slowly in the beginning, grasping the fundamentals, you will move much faster with your learning process eventually. So it makes no sense to just rush yourself in the very beginning. Just grasp the fundamentals, make sure you really understand what's happening behind the lines of your code, and just then move forward. Just when you really understand it. If that requires to rewatch that lecture for 10th time, or to reread that paragraph, or to Google or ask ChatGPT for the 1000th time the same thing, just do that. No shame in that. There is a shame in being, 7 years seasoned professional who does not understand what CI/CD is, for example. That is a problem. When you are a beginner and when you wanna have that aspiration of being a good coder, a good developer, a good tech person, don't rush yourself. Quality first. So you don't have to be a prodigy, you just need a process, and just keep going, trust that process. Even if it's just, 15 minutes a day, that does not matter. Just keep going. And you'll get there, I promise. That's all I have for you today, folks. Thank you for sticking with me, and please make sure to subscribe, because I keep sharing my journey, whether you like it or not. I will do that, and I'm here for good. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.